Hello friends, I am Manoj Kumar Behra, subject expert from MKD Education. So previously we have discussed heat and thermodynamics of your engineering physics subject. Some concepts regarding heat, specific heat, latent heat, its units and dimensions, thermal expansion of liquid, so thermal expansion of solid, coefficient of expansion, and so many things regarding your heat. Today we will discuss one more aspects of heat and thermodynamics. Heat and work. You know, both these heat and work are form of energy. Heat भी गोटे form of energy. Work is also a form of energy. Heat is a transient energy, and work is a mechanical form of energy. Now see, heat टा कहीं ट्रांजिएंट एनर्जी कहला, वर्क टा कहीं मेकानिकल फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी कहला. कहीं की देखो हीट टा गोटे लो टेम्परेचर रु सॉरी हाई टेम्परेचर रु लो टेम्परेचर को सी मूव करे. सी जे मूवमेंट पाई ताको हम कोन कहलु ट्रांजिएंट एनर्जी. एवरीबॉडी एवरी parameter, every aspect in nature flows from the higher potential to lower potential. So बोले higher low को flow हुए सब जिनस सब एंटिटी सब पैरामीटर सब फ्लो हुए. Here heat is similar thing. सेटा कोन हुए हाई टेम्परेचर रु लो टेम्परेचर को हीट टा फ्लो हुए. That is why heat is known as a transient energy. And work is a mechanical form energy. Work टा flow हुए नहीं, work happens. Heat flows, work happens. Heat flows, work happens. Both are energy. See, तो work टाको हमें mechanical energy रे पाऊ. Work टाको हमें गोटे mechanical energy form रे पाऊ. Now see, we have the scientist W.J.P. Joule, who devised a Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat, or who devised a relationship between heat and work. से कौन कहले जे heat and work are mutually convertible. That means heat को हमें work को convert कर परिबु, work को again हमें heat को convert करी परिबु. है ना, heat and work both are mutually convertible, where a quantity of heat is required to disappear in one form, and in the similar case quantity of heat is required to be appearing in another form. माने जदि heat रु हम work बनेबु सेठी कोन हबो किछिटा energy loss हबो आ गोटे जगह से energy टा gain हेजबो. Similarly गोटे जगह रु gain हेले आ गोटे जगह रे loss हबो. So heat and work are mutually convertible, and work is proportional to heat, described by W. James Prescott Joule, a name of a scientist. So here you see work is proportional to heat, that is implies W is equal to J of H. That is J is the proportionality constant known as Joule's. J is a proportional constant known as Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. Now see here, from this relation we will be getting our J is equal to W by H. That is J is equal to W by H. Here you see, from here we can define Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. How we can define? The amount of work required, the quantity of work required to produce a unit quantity of heat. See, केमिति हमें define करजु. This is J. J stands for Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. आपको केमिति define करिबा? तो J or Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat is defined as the quantity of work required to produce a unit quantity of heat in a substance. This is the definition of Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. Now, so this is all about Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat, or the relationship between heat and work. And the last one is first law of thermodynamics. So, dear students, let me tell you, first law of thermodynamics. We have 3 laws of thermodynamics. 0th law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, and second law of thermodynamics. See, from the subject point of view, you have only first law of thermodynamics. That is first law of thermodynamics. Now see, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics जानले से ना हमें first law of thermodynamics पढ़ीबू. 0th law of thermodynamics is not there. Second law of thermodynamics is not there. You are only having first law of thermodynamics. First thermodynamics कौन? Thermo means temperature and dynamics means some temperature. Temperature do not move. Temperature का move करेगी, temperature move करे ना. Heat moves, heat transmits. So जत्ते बड़े आमर किसी heat टा move करे from one substance to another substance due to molecular vibration, a dynamic activity movement happens. Therefore, it is termed as thermodynamics. Then what is first law of thermodynamics? First law of thermodynamics says the dq means the change in heat, increase or decrease. The change in heat in a substance is utilized in producing or storing the internal energy in a body, and the rest amount is converted into doing some work. Here, this is the first law, mathematical expression of first law of thermodynamics. Here from we will define the first law of thermodynamics. How? केमिता में define करिबू. The quantity of heat or the change in heat or the transfer of heat is divided into storing some internal energy in a substance. जो energy टा store हुए, storing some internal energy in the substance, and the rest amount of heat is converted into some mechanical work. So this is all about the first law of thermodynamics, which is based on principle of conservation of energy. Principle of conservation of energy. That is, energy neither created nor destroyed. It can transform from one form to another form. See, total energy, total heat energy is transferred into becoming a internal energy which is stored, and rest is to do some mechanical work. Total energy is converted to 2 forms, and this total energy is equal to this total energy. So this is all about first law of thermodynamics. Here we have, in this class we have done doing some relationship between alpha, beta and gamma, and relation between heat and thermodynamics is discussed. So summing up to this class, we have covered in this chapter heat, thermodynamics, work, specific heat, your latent heat, types of latent heat, types of specific heat, thermal expansion of liquid, thermal expansion of solid, coefficient of expansion of different types of solids, and finally relationship between heat and work. So I wish you go through our website, you go through our class notes provided there, you go through our video classes. I wish you give a feedback so that we can make it more lucid, make it more vivid and more pleasant for you. Thank you.